This video, we're going to talk a little bit more about whiteboard videos and whiteboard sketch videos. So what we did is in the previous video, we created that type sketch from a PNG file. So there's a few different options here that you can do as well when you are creating whiteboard animations. So here we go, we've got the background. So we added a background to that bitmap image, and the background has a few different options here. So this is after the scene. It can shift up, can shift down. You can also remove the background. You can add the audio from the video by checking that box there, or you could select an additional background or another background by using the browse. You've also got an option here to go through the gallery. So this is similar to what we looked at before, where it adds in the background, and of course I have to remove the scene background video for the background from the gallery to show up. So there's quite a bit of background options here, and once again customized background from my computer. And you do want to make sure that when you are using a background, that your foreground sketch, maybe you might not want it black within a black video. You've also got an option here to export the scene. So this gives you the ability to export a particular scene and reuse it in other videos. For the image, you've got an option here to flip it vertically, flip it horizontally, and you can change position. Change position brings you back to this canvas area where you're able to drag and position that image that you want to use. You've got some options here for slide, so you can customize the slide background, draw previous slide. You can browse and select additional backgrounds as well. So there's a few options here. The backgrounds, of course, they're getting stacked, so you might want to remove the sketch background before adding a slide background, as the slide background will be above it. And you've got some options here for animations before, actions before the animation. You're able to set the different hands. So a whole bunch of options here for the different types of hands that are going to be doing the sketching. And you've got some options here for positioning the hands as well. You can select out any number of the different hands and place them to draw your bitmap image. And you're also able to change the color of the outline that it's drawing in, so I just changed that to red there. And here you can see it a little bit better when there's no background. I'm also able to flip the hand horizontally, so coming in at a different angle. I'm also able to delay the action and action duration and pause after the action. I'm also able to draw the hand under the sketch. So this is another way of doing it. I'm able to tilt the hand here. And I'm also able to change the different actions. So if I wanted that animation to slide in by hand, I've got an option here to select different directions if I want it to fade in. So here's just a whole bunch of different options to customize that animation, how it's coming in.